We're here on the 4th floor hallway at Collegetown Center. This is a 6th floor elevator building. We're going to go into apartment 404. This is a rectangle style apartment on the south side of the building. The rectangle style is our standard model of studio. So you have probably seen a lot of other videos of this style of apartment, but let's take a look. We have that refrigerator as we enter the kitchen. There's the cabinets above. There are cabinets below, drawers, that sink and dishwasher, microwave, and the electric stove and oven. Here in this studio, we have some space across from the kitchen items where you could add your own narrow shelf, a shoe rack, or even a small narrow table that would make a nice addition to the apartment. As we go in, let's take a look at the closet as we pass by that on our left. The closets will have a rack, hanging rod, and some good storage space in here. We'll take a look at the apartment, but let's go into the bathroom first. You can see that's over here on our right. Again, the same bathroom setup that we've seen in other units. So we have that tub shower with the sliding door, the vanity that does open underneath for more storage, the sink, the toilet, and you can see we've got one of those wall cabinets open here so you can take a look at that. We have that nice big mirror on the wall, the light over the mirror. There's a fan in the bathroom. There's a hook on the inside of the bathroom door for extra hanging space as well. Okay, the furnishings in the apartments will always be the same items. The items may vary from unit to unit, but they will always be that desk and chair, the full-size bed, the bookshelf, the dresser, and that dining table and chair. You can see the air conditioner is under the window over there. And this is an example of the heater. When we mentioned that you should not block your heater, this is what we mean. Don't put anything in front of it so that your heat can circulate freely in the winter months here. Let's go take a look out the window. We're facing south. We've got the mini blinds down today so you can see that those do twist to give you some more privacy if you like. Let's do that. So you can adjust your blinds that way with the wand. And let's take a look out the window. You can see we're on the south side here. We're just gonna actually peek through this way. And so we have some great views to the south, some nice valley views, and we are actually above the parking area. So you can see down below some of the parking. We can help you choose a parking space that you would be able to see from your apartment if you like. If you are interested in renting a parking space, those are available as a separate contract. So this is a look at Collegetown Center, apartment number 404. We're in a south rectangle on the 4th floor of the 6th floor elevator building here at 151 Dryden Road, right in the heart of Collegetown, located just one block from campus.